Okay, you guys, I am back, and I feel like we're kind of halfway done, but still got a lot of stuff. Let's go ahead and get this box out the way. So I did get some velvet hangers from Amazon. I got a pack of 100 and they were $39. I always say $40, I round up. And I got 100 of these, and you guys, I love velvet hangers. The ones that I had previously came from Box. I'm not for sure if you are familiar with the company. It's spelled B-O-X-X-E-D, like box, like in a box, but Box. So they sell like a lot of items up there, and they actually had like a sale on their velvet hangers, and I had got a lot a while back, and I need some more because I am working in a professional field now, so I did have to like buy a lot more dress clothes, so I needed more hangers. So I just got a pack of 100 of velvet hangers, and I am that person that like consistency and a certain look in my closet. I want all my hangers to look the same. I want all my clothes to hang the same, so more of that story. I also got an Echo Dot wall mount. Pretty much I had an Echo Dot for a while now, and I get tired of seeing the cord on the counter, so I just got this wall mount to like put in the socket and to like keep it from like being on the sink, and it could just be in the wall. And you guys, I don't know if you all can see it, but this light is doing the same thing it was doing like 10 minutes ago, and it's bothering me, so gotta fix that. So I went to Target. You guys, the crazy story is that I kind of know what kind of bedding I want for the room, for my bedroom, but I have not bought the bedding yet. But guess what I did buy? Sheets. That is so funny to me. I was like, normally when people move, like the first thing that they do is like buy bedding, but it has been very hard for me to find like the type of bedding that I want in the same color. Yeah, crazy thing. But these were actually on sale for Target because my mattress is kind of like a pillow top mattress. It is queen size, but I get king sheets because the mattress is so thick that a queen size sheet wouldn't fit. So these king sheets were actually on sale in Target for $22.99, which is a steal. King and queen sheets are or can be very expensive. So I just got this white in stripes, gray, and blue. I feel like this blue is kind of like earth tone, so if I want to like switch up what colors in my room or bedding, I feel like the blue would go okay with it. So I got these. So before I move, I am gonna like wash this up and go ahead and pack it in like a suitcase, and so I won't have to worry about like washing sheets when I get there. So my aunts have purchased me a few things, and this is like an egg separator. They know I love to cook, so whenever they see like little things, they like pick up things for me. So love this egg separator that they got me. This is actually a measuring tool, and you guys, you can never have enough measuring tools. If you cook a lot like I do, like sometimes you need 2 things that say 1 cup or like 2 tablespoon measures. So love this as well. Another measuring tool. Also got some lock and locks. I'm not for sure if you all are familiar with lock and locks, but they are like so cool. I don't want to open it, but pretty much like every side like flaps up and like it conceals and like makes a noise. And I got this set and some more Tupperware. I probably would use these for like storage purposes, or like sometimes if I take my lunch to work or to school or whatever, I could use like these. Another lock and lock. So this is actually a lock and lock as well. Not for sure if I told you this. This is like actually a set. It's more lock and locks in here. And this one in green. It's pretty cool. So these are like the good containers where I probably wouldn't put like harsh pasta sauces in there, like spaghetti or pasta salad, because I wouldn't want them to stain. I hate when containers stain. So it would be something like neutral where I don't have to worry about staining. This kind of worked out so well. I was getting ready to buy one of these, but my aunt had one, and she actually got this from TJ Maxx, and it is one of these sugar containers. I'm actually not going to put sugar in these, I don't think, but it works well with me doing my decor in the glass cabinet that I talked about like a few minutes ago, or probably about 10 minutes ago earlier in the video, with how I was gonna do the plates and then like the mug. This would go right in the cabinet perfect because it adds like another dimension with the lettering and just some more decor to put in that cabinet. I know now that minute I have the white going on, I do need like a pop of color, but we're gonna see what my sister says. My aunt also got me this throw blanket. You guys, I love throw blankets, and if you haven't tell already, I am gonna have like some grays going on in the apartment, so this goes well with that. Also got me this picture set. Now, if you all seen my sophomore apartment tour, I'm probably gonna try to insert a picture or like put the video in the cards. I actually kind of had like a picture frame wall with different pictures that my sister and I kind of like brainstormed and put together, and it was like super cute. But I have another one of these. I think I want to do something similar, or I might just put like pictures in here and just like put them on like nightstands or like side tables or something. So who knows. I also got this kitchen tool gadget set from my aunt, and you guys, I really love the colors. I really love the colors, and it also comes with some more measuring tools. And I am that person that when I'm cooking anything, sometimes I will reach for like a normal fork or normal spoon to like spin, flip, and like just the cook with period. And I am guilty of like scratching some of the coating off of my pans, which it's kind of like a no-no. So I have some of these kitchen gadgets and sets, but I think my aunt just wanted to make sure that I had some so I wouldn't be messing up like my pot set. So yeah, got one of these too. You can never have enough of these, you guys. So like about not a few months ago, but like in August, like when school started, like when I tell you like the flies and stuff were horrible, like I had 3 fly swatters around here, like so that if I saw one I could just pick up and just real quick. So got another one of those. Okay, you guys, so we kind of like went through all of that. I have like 3 more things to show you guys, I think, and I think we'll start wrapping up the video. So from Amazon, I went ahead and got a tool set. So it is a 39-piece tool set, and it says contains tools needed for most household repairs. Tools are heat treated and chrome plated to resist corrosion, and tools are contained in a handy blow molded case. So I went ahead and got this tool set. I just felt like it would be perfect to like have like my own set of tools for my apartment, and I don't have to worry about like anybody else bringing a tool set to like help us move in and stuff like that. So there we are. Also got a broom and dustpan. I ordered this from Amazon because I kind of wanted like this part, so it stands up, and then of course I got to put the rails on this. And I just wanted another broom and dustpan because sometimes you need to get another one, but I could clean the one that I already got. But I like the fact that the one that I have here now, I could still use to like clean off like the porch or like the balcony. I'm not for sure if I'm gonna have a balcony, but I think I might have a balcony patio type situation where I could use like the broom I have now to like sweep outside, and this could be my new inside broom. So yeah, and the last thing I got is pretty big, but it's not anything major, but I'm gonna still show you guys. Okay, so I think everybody needs one of these in their life, and it is is it on that side? The old cedar mop. So this is like the handle that you put on the little mop thing in here, and let me put this down. So I like this mop just because a little old school. I feel like a handy dandy mop sometimes can get your floors cleaner than just using like a Swiffer. Don't get me wrong, I'm still gonna have my Swiffer for like little quick little cleanup type situation, but sometimes like I kind of want like a deep clean and want to be able to like scrub the floor, and that's why I got this. And the reason why I was so drawn to this is because Of course, you would fill your bucket up with water and your cleaning solution and stuff in here. You can put the mop in here and drain the water by stepping on this. Uh-oh, you can see it spinning with me. See? I know you guys can hear it. Let me see. So that's like, you can hear, I have used this mop before at someone else's place, and I just like fell in love with it. I was like, gotta get that when I move. And yeah, you just step on it, wring the mop out, and there you go. So you all, that concludes my new apartment haul video for 2020, I guess. Like, hopefully this would be the end to apartments, and next time I move, hopefully the apartment is everything that I need and everything that I expect, and next time I move, I actually move into something that I can call my own. That's just one of my goals. I hope you enjoyed my new apartment haul. I'm sure there are going to be a lot more items. I actually need to go get on the computer right now and order some more things, but with everything going on, I'm sure that when I get in, everything is not going to be completely how I want it, just because a lot of stores are closed. And if I did want to like get more decor pieces from stores like Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, wouldn't be able to go in there and actually look. Sometimes like when we see stuff online, we think it's what we want, but then when we see it in person, it's kind of like didn't really want that. That wasn't what I was going for, but I know that everything is gonna look nice, and I'm not for sure if I do another haul video for the new apartment, just because this was a lot of stuff, and probably by the time I'm able to get more stuff or get settled in, it'll be time to come like film move-in video or something. I don't know, drop some suggestions, you guys. Like, what kind of videos would you want to see, like with me moving or new apartment tour? Like, I don't know, just jot down some suggestions and I'll definitely take those into consideration. And yeah, like I said, I do have to like go hop on the computer right now and order like some more stuff, because it's just a lot, you guys. I am a senior in college. This is my last year of undergrad, and on top of like completing my internship, doing schoolwork, working, like doing everything, and then like with the quarantine, it has been a lot. So I haven't been able to like really shop like I want, because when I have the weekend, I'm like, I made it through the week. So that's how I be feeling. So I don't know, but definitely leave some suggestions. I'm kind of excited to like bring you guys new content, especially like the new apartment videos. I love watching new apartment videos. I love watching decor videos. Like, I love all of that. So super excited to bring you along with me. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and go head over to my channel and watch some of my past videos. I'm sure you all would find some of those interesting, especially like the 2 apartment tours that I have on my channel. I really love watching those. Sometimes I will go back and watch them. They are very detailed, and most of all of the items in the apartment, I tell you all where I got them from and where you can purchase them and how much they cost. So go ahead and do that. And for now, I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching, and so glad you made it to the end. This is what you got to do to get a thumbnail. Oh God.